Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful ways to tie your hairs. Now for that, tie the hairs in the between and take the hairs from the sides again and repeat the process for a few more times. Fix it on the top like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it like this. After rotating the hairs, fix it from both the sides, join the hairs and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it on the back. Divide it from the between and fold it. Now fix all the hairs in the between and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the top and tie it like this from the sides. Take the hairs and fix them on the alternative sides one by one. Take the hairs on small sections and fix it like this and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Rotate the upper part like this by dividing it and fix the hairs into each other. Make a bow on the top. Now rotate small section of the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the plaits on both the sides of the hairs on the back and join them. Now repeat the process for a few more times. Tie the hairs and rotate it on the top like this. Join the hairs in the between making a heart-like shape. Fix the hairs one by one and it's ready. Tie the hairs on the back like this by taking small section of the hairs. Now divide them and make the plaits on both the sides. Roll it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now join them together on the back. Now divide it from the between and rotate the hairs and fix all the hairs in the between. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fold it upward and make a bow. Now again divide the hairs and fold it upward like this. Fix it from the sides and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.